to the Ava and Gia Show.
Can't you believe it? There's only 3 weeks left until Christmas.
Today we're opening box 4. Let's get on to the video. Hey guys, let's see what ornament we're gonna build today. Let's pop out number 4. And let's see what we got. It looks like there's a lot of pieces to this. Let's start building. My mom said we could tear off the piece of cardboard to look at the instructions. I'll be back when we're done building. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can watch all of our videos. This ornament is so cute. The squirrel riding on the sleigh. Thanks for watching. Bye.